Mag-overnight po ako.
Pwede mag-overnight?
Oh, campsite. I won't risk my life here.
Overnight?
Pwede po may wild boar?
Meron mga wild animals dito.
May bantay po yan, mga Air Force.
Okay. May mga venomous snake. Yung tawag doon?
Poison.
Ahas, poisonous.
Meron din, iwag na. Hindi na lang ako.
And I won't risk my life to stay here. Then it might rain, collapse, di ba? It's just sad.
Pwede mag-camping kahit saan dito.
Maybe if camping for church, because that will be God's grace guidance.
Really? Overnight's too... I think it's...
It's cold in here, I think,
Look,
like
it's a
a desert.
What the heck is this?
Place is nice, really nice.
Dapat tapat mo sa yung video mo yung ano.
Okay, okay.
Yung para nakikita mo sarili mo.